Promax.run claims to be a platform where users can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, but is it truly legit or just another scam? Looking into the details, there are several red flags that raise concerns. The platform presents a business history that doesn't check out, making it difficult to verify who actually runs it. While it boasts impressive ratings on Trustpilot, a deeper dive suggests that many of these reviews might be manipulated or misleading. Another major issue is the unrealistic profit guarantees that are often a tactic used by shady platforms to lure in unsuspecting users. Additionally, Promax.run appears to share similarities with previously known scam websites, which have used the same layout and promises before disappearing. The claims of partnerships with reputable companies also seem to be unverified, adding to the doubts. While some users might have had positive experiences, the number of red flags makes it hard to trust completely. Whether it's a legitimate opportunity or just another risky platform, it's always best to do thorough research before investing any money. If you've used Promax.run, let me know in the comments what your experience was like.